So guys, this is the first opening, okay, which is basically hiring for someone for the SIM admin. SIM admin means, I guess you all of you knows about SIM. Okay, so there is something which is called SOC, Security Operations Center, where there is some sort of software which is used to monitor all those things. It is called SIM, Security Incident Event and Monitoring. Okay, so this is basically for the people those who are looking job in SOC. Position is SIM admin. Splunk is the tool basically which is being used. So this is for someone who have minimum 2 years of experience. So if you have internship experience or something, you can join. This is a Hyderabad based job, and this is looking for freshers, immediate joiners. Okay, so even if you feel like if you have good knowledge and don't have experience of 2 to 5 years, then you can apply. You can drop some achievement whatever you have. Yes, Splunk curator. That's the thing. This is the mail ID. pratikgujar@gmail.com. So apply from this side. Okay, accordingly, just verify and accordingly just do. The next opening is basically this is for the freshers, right? As I told you in last session, there is something called SOC, Security Operations Center, which is for the people those who have experience as a security analyst, right? In next couple of minutes, I'm going to say you that thing, how to get started as SOC or something. Before that, this is something for the fresher. 6 months experience is only required. Okay, and the role is 6 month experience in management and administration as SOC solution SIM and SOAR is must, right? IBM Curate is also a very famous tool which you can use if you are looking for some job in SOC. You can drop your resume at info@cybermean.com. Its mail ID is info@cylert-me.com, right? I just written here so that you will not get confused. So freshers, you can apply for this job role, but make sure you should have knowledge about IBM Curator. This is a very basic tool. If you want, I can teach you as. Next is technical specialist. This is L1. As I told you, L1 is something which is for the freshers. So freshers can apply. This is Pune-based job. You should have knowledge about firewall, checkpoint, and FortiGate, which is a kind of firewall something. Mail ID is santilal@visstack.com. Company name is Visstack. Okay, from where you can apply, right? Next opening is basically as a cybersecurity analyst or trainer. So I guess this is again for the freshers, those who are looking to join a company as a fresher, you can apply here. Two positions are there for what they are looking for. Within a week they can hire you. So if you are looking for a very quick job, then you can apply for this job. Master's degree is important. So if you have done a MTech or something, this is good for you. Full-time on-site job is there. Minimum 6 months of experience is required. So if you have internship experience of 6 months, you can join. And yeah, this is what you can. Ahmedabad, Gujarat is a workplace where you need to work. So before that, you can just communicate with them. Okay, and accordingly they will hire you. What they're looking for, they are looking for someone who can provide training and mentor the student, right? They're looking for VAPT, someone who can provide training in VAPT. Fast growing. This is a startup, so there might be a good opportunity, so you can join. This is the company name, Demisto Technology at Demisto Technology. This is the company name, and mail ID hr.demistotechnology@gmail.com. So like it's a Gmail, so most probably it's a startup, so you can apply. Like in a startup, there's a lot of opportunity that we get. Right. Next is for the experience, BAPT specialist Mumbai, minimum 4 years of experience is required. Opening a cyber security recruitment specialist where you need to hire the things. These are the couple of advanced things which is required: PCI DSS, ISO 27001, OWASP, and other things. Just read it out if you're looking for something. If you have experience job, then you can apply for this job. I'm not going to read a lot in this. Okay, and hands-on experience on multiple tool lesson. So this is what you can do. Okay, this is for the experience. So guys, those who are fresher, you can also check out this link. Uh, quick quickitjobs.com. Apply from where you can get multiple job openings. Next opening is as a VAPT analyst. Again, guys, this is for the freshers. Job role is junior security analyst. Okay, so you can apply for this job role actually. Position is juniors security analyst. 5 people they are looking for. Minimum 2 years of experience is required, right? So here you can see, uh, uh, matlab freshers can apply. Those who don't have even experience, you can join for this opening actually. Yeah, that's the thing. So BTech, B, MTech, ME, even I guess BC can also do. Okay, so you can just drop a mail and ask here. Okay, so this is for the fresher actually. The thing is secure. You should have knowledge about web app, mobile API, all those pen testing plus secure coding review is important. Okay, so OWASP top 10, CWE, CVS knowledge is important. Tools like Verbsuit, OWASP, CHAP, MobSF is important, right? Android IO security is important. So this is a certificate which can be preferred. Okay, CH, OSCP, EWPT, and React, Node.js, Swift, Kotlin. This knowledge is, if you have, then this is a plus point. Mail ID is hr@lumiversesolution.com. Okay, so this is from where you can look out. Okay, Lumiverse Solution, the company name, right? Next is, this is something which is having for the experience. You can look out, just pause your screen and even check out. 3 years of experience is DCL1 NC in Gansoli. Okay, so just check it out. Horizon Technologies. Networking knowledge is required, 2+ years of experience. So this is what networking people's for. So all right, guys, that's all for today. So now you can ask your queries, whatever you have.